Put your hands up. Girl in a bikini. Everybody got a red cup. In a the pool party, oh. Like a scene from a movie. Starring everybody.
Just get up out of our seat and sit down back.
Yeah.
Boss it. Yeah. We can't bother with them, you know. Man, far from people. Have the dance now.
This is for all of the people that I miss. All of my fallen soldiers them. Yeah, mommy, father.
Yeah. Dance I done, you know, people. Watch it. Eh. The song you're touching though. Alright, so it's Boxing Day, guys. Drinking some of this punch that I made. It has yep, because we drink it last night. Mommy, uno, we. But you was a part of this. Stop looking. Watch it. No, this is gonna be the thumbnail. We are going so far. Rolling through the 6 indies. What kind of print that you call it?
Look at it. Nice. Don't be hating on one. Yes, my nice. Don't worry yourself. Almost like that print.
Anyway, so yeah, with that telling about the punch, I put Baileys, Patron, ice cream, nutmeg, vanilla, cinnamon spice, what is oats, milk, dragon stout, spitfire, eggs, a touch of salt. What else? Did I put any vodka in there? No. You never even dare over make it, I mean. But I put a lot of eggs in there so it could give it body. It's not raw if you want to know. What else I put it? I can put some other stuff in there, but I can't remember. But yeah. Some of me there watch TV and I'm here just. What yeah, I do? I'm just here talking to you guys. So yeah. Anything you want to say, mommy? Anything you want to say? You know what I say? Happy holidays?
Happy holidays.
Mommy, say it with laugh.
Happy holidays, people.
Shami?
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh my gosh, Brianna, Miss Malvo, and Monique. Oh, this so.
Mama, yeah, wish dear.
It's not the other one.
Really? Sunday.
We try to till one by one.
Beer madness, you know.
Occupation.
Outside.
I you know what to show to.
We show that.
One love.
Which show? The Jamaican show?
Yeah.
So I will tell them watch it.
Yeah. You know, you hear the song like one by one and we try create.
You have it? I might one.
No, I'm watching by YouTube.
And then I will tell them watch one now. Like the song say? Wait,
One by one.
Sunday afternoon, and I hope you can hear me. Something is going to be happening here later. I'm waiting on a client, so it's her event. That's why you hear all this music. They're setting up. Then after I'm finished with her, I'm gonna go home and get ready because I'm going to a day party named Chill. It's gonna be at Kingston Polo Club. So I'm gonna go home after this and get ready. Monique and I will be going. It was a treat from Diane, you know, for my birthday. Alright, so reach back home.
You want the one with the stamping eyes?
Money, the one that
The current one.
Right.
Yeah, it don't matter if it's stamp or just proof of, you know, whatever. So yeah, I reached back home, I got ready, me and Monique and I, waiting on the driver. Shami, let me show them my outfit of the night.
Me have had the top down one.
But you're not going nowhere. So I'm just wearing this and never even fine. But yeah. Guys, so we're walking to the entrance now. Monique and I. Tickets here. So yes. So this is the setup. It will look pretty early though. Even though it's a day party, nobody now comes till all 1 hour before the party done. But yeah, early to the year. So when I make money during the whole of the shots, they gave us shots at the entrance. But put it over there, so I don't know if you can see there. Right there, so I'm not allow her to drink the whole. It's too strong here. I'm gonna drink off my own already.
Ready to get our bats tonight? Let's go, let's go!
Lights up wrong with the people. You get the good? This is beautiful. Put it up, princess. I'm gonna work it out. You know I put it up, princess. I'm gonna work it out.
Make your window. No, don't run from the Tommy Ballings. You run professional, come from go 3 times already. You want it now. You want me all every day. You're there to make it round this. Oh, you can't forget the man with the way. What's the reason? Come on! Ashama supposed to come next, and I'm busy with Shama. Let's go!
Give me driver crazy, she and passenger. Me no feel like ginger. Couple champagne, shots of tequila. When we keep one finger, me make that look like ninja climber. When I sleep and set your man, we can feed that American. Mother, New York or Trinidad. Tell us all the one in a line.
One relax from papi front seat when them in my recline.
So this is time.
I know there's gonna be good time.
Everybody sing it out, come on!
Good time. There's gonna be good time.
Let's go! Pick up the boss. Boss, I sit down and I watch you all going, yeah? Pick up. What is doing? Pick up the glory and pro! And it's saying,
Human being not trustable.
Hi, my eye.
Make more weed, I will buy. Anyhow,
tell him in a minute.
weed is my best.
Legends pull up now, make pen fall, big up. I am answer now. You saw what the part?
I'm all about the money.
What is that here? Ticket green, no.
I'm all about the money.
This man from 90s, my family make you know what about.
Reached back home now, guys, and I'm about to take a shower. The party was really good though. I'm glad that I went. A lot of people were there. I mean, we didn't leave when the party finished. Like, it's still going on, going up to 12, but I know they're probably not going to finish till probably 1:32ish. but we went from like after 8, you know, and we enjoyed ourselves. I was just ready to go because I have a lot to do today. I have videos to film, I have to go on the road, so I had to be responsible and leave at a certain time, you know, because I have a lot of work to get done. But right now I'm gonna take a shower. I'm hungry. Gosh, I should not be eating this time of the night, but I'm hungry bad. So I'm gonna eat something. I never really like the food. Usually I like party food. I just eat it if I'm really hungry, which we took like a sandwich. Here waiting on my driver. Heading to have a tree real quick. Gonna pick up a couple items from Terry that I should have gotten from last week. I was supposed to be filming right now, but I just want to get this out of the way so I can just have the rest of the time to film. And I know if I'm going to reach back in time for film, because I know how the days are short. Like the days are short in December, so as it touch 5 o'clock, 4:30, so the time start get dark. So I'm gonna know. That's why I just have to wake up really early tomorrow. It's making me so depressed. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that. Plus I want to go on the mall and get some things. It's Monday, by the way, so you guys will be seeing this vlog on Tuesday, which is tomorrow. Yeah, Shami gonna have a tree because she said she gone back close to New Year's Eve. She and Brianna. Mommy gone on the road as well. So yeah. So I don't know. I might end the vlog right here. So, you know, I guess I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Alright. Alright. See you guys on Saturday. Yeah. When I was, I think, at Palisade. Just meeting. It's crazy. I know you guys not hearing no music, but like it's crazy. But it's actually good. It's actually